What's going on, hybrid shooters? It's Jason Vong, and today I'm going to show you how to easily avoid overexposure in camera. So what happens when your photos or footage is overexposed or blown out? That's right, obliteration of details in the highlights, especially for outdoor photos with clouds, because you kind of want to have clouds in your photos because it looks nicer that way. Now, overexposing a photo or video is not always a bad thing. It can be a choice, it can be a style. However, for the sake of understanding the basics, here's how to avoid overexposure as best as we can in camera. There are 3 ways to do it. There's the metering mode, the histogram, but by far the easiest one to judge overexposure is zebras because it tells you where specifically it is overexposed. So why is it called zebras? That's why. So here's how to enable the zebra feature. Go into your menu, find the zebra settings, and make sure zebra display is turned on. Next, for zebra level, I personally like to have it at around 100. Now the next time you go take a photo and you start seeing zebra lines, either increase your shutter speed or your aperture or lower the ISO. And there you go, a perfectly exposed shot. So what happens if your camera doesn't have the zebra feature? Well, the next best thing to do is to use your metering mode. Set that to highlight, and the next time you take a photo, make sure that that meter stays between 0 to +1. Then go into your playback and look at your histogram. If the information leans too far to the right, it means your shot is overexposed. Generally, you want all of that information in the middle of the graph. That tells you when you have a decently exposed photo. Now, there are ways to potentially fix overexposure in your editing software by dragging down the exposure or the highlights. Now, for this rescue method to be effective, you should shoot RAW for your photos and in a log profile for your videos. The weekend is coming up. Give zebras a shot and share with me your photos and videos on Instagram. My handle is @JasonVMedia. And if you have a different way to gauge exposure, I love to hear it. I love to learn more. Drop in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.